Welcome to the kitchen. A potato. Let's feed Elliot. A potato. Yeah, you're doing great. Tofu. Let's feed Elliot. Tofu. Yay, well done. Broccoli. Let's feed Elliot. Broccoli. Yeah, you're doing great. A red pepper. Let's feed Elliot. A red pepper. Congratulations! Shrimp. Let's feed Elliot. A carrot. Delicious! Thank you! Shrimp. Congratulations! A mushroom. Let's feed Elliot. Let's feed a mushroom. Delicious! A tomato. Let's feed Elliot. A tomato. You are a fabulous chef. Let's find strawberries. Donuts. Uh-oh. Now we ran out of paint. Let's play memory cards and learn about things in the kitchen. Tap a card. Wooden spoon. Pot. Chopsticks. Cutting board. Cutting board. Cutting board. Wooden spoon. Pot. Chopsticks. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Pot. Pot. Chopsticks. Let's play again. Pan. Pan. Spatula. Chopsticks. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Spatula. Chopsticks. Congratulations!
Welcome to the kitchen. Where is everything? Let's put the kitchen items where they belong. Sink. Toaster. Oven. Stove. Microwave. Refrigerator. Whee! Great job!
Toaster. It's a toaster. Microwave. It's a microwave.